Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, January 25th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd do a quick video and talk to you about classified ads and how you can use them to get pre-enrollees and sign-ups for your LiveGood business. All right, I just did a simple search on Google and got a site that has the 200 plus top free US classified submission sites in 2022 and 2023. And as you go down through here, it'll tell you what classified sites are, some tips on how to use them, and then here's the list of all the US, well, not all of them, but the top US classified sites. All right, and like I said, there's over 200 of them that you can use. All right, so if you just were to go up and click on this, right, it'll take you over to a page that looks like this. Well, you can click right here and post an ad. And of course, a lot of these you're going to get ads, but you just close out of them. All right, and then you just follow the thing. You know, select one of the three options: post a classified ad, a business listing, sell a new product. So I'm just going to click classified ad here. All right, and then you'll see here that regular ads can be posted for free. You may choose the featured ad option, you know, for $29.98 for 60 days. And you know, there's all different options in these, but then you would come down here, you'd select a category, and then, you know, just follow all the prompts, okay? And you could spend probably a good 15, 20 minutes doing one ad on each of these sites, okay? But I have a solution, and it's something that I've used and had great luck with, and it's a company I've been working with for a while, for several years actually, and it's called Classified Submissions. And this company has been around since 2012, and what they do is they take your ad and they'll post it for you, okay? You can go through all those top classified ads and post them yourself for free, or you can pay a small fee and have this company do it for you, all right? So as you can see here, it says your classified ad promoted to thousands plus advertising pages each month. We will promote your classified ad and website each month to thousands of advertising pages, including 2,000 plus classified ad pages, 500 plus high-quality private blogs, and 100 plus Web 2.0 properties. In addition, your clickable text ad will be displayed in rotation at the top of every page on 40 plus high-traffic sites 24/7, giving you quality exposure on thousands of advertising pages monthly. They do have a 15-minute video here where they go over everything. They talk about how long they've been in business and how they're improving this every single year, and what they do for everybody. It says our classified posting service will post your ads to thousands of websites, giving your ad exposure to thousands of potential customers. Here's what we propose to do for you each month with our classified ad posting service. Included is the following: your ad posted to thousands of classified ad pages monthly, your ad resubmitted daily so that your ad goes back to the top of your category. This is completely hands-off for you. We do this every day for you on autopilot. All right, so again, this is a service that you can do for free. You can do this yourself if you want it to go in each of these places. It would take you all day. Or you can just pay somebody to do it for you, all right, if you can afford it. Your ad upgraded, highlighted in bold, and stuck to the top of your category. Your ad included in 30 plus credit viewers, some ads getting as much as 1,000 views each. Your text ad featured in rotation on the homepage of 30 plus high traffic websites. Your full website landing page displayed in rotation on login on 40 plus ad sites, some with 100,000 plus membership. These are real eyeballs seeing your page and affiliate link or website. Your full website landing page displayed in rotation on our free software, downloaded thousands of times and used daily. All right, and then this is a video here talking about the full page login ads that you're going to get when you join and use this company. All right, it says another problem with classified advertising is that most ads rotate off after about 30 days. So that's true. If you do like a Craigslist ad and pay $25 to post it in a city near you, it's only good for 30 days. All right. It says we have solved this problem because we continually resubmit your ad and your website to our entire database with our classified posting service all month. Our classified posting service database is constantly updated. Old sites are taken out and new sites are added on a regular basis. So you're constantly exposing your ad to a fresh and updated database. We also submit your website link to all the sites, giving you valuable keyword-based backlinks and building your website ranking in the natural search engine listings. Why you should include classified ad marketing in your promotion strategy. Classified ad marketing is fast. Ads are usually published within 24 hours or less, giving you immediate exposure to thousands of potential buyers. People actually look at classified ads to buy something. People who take the time to peruse the classified ads are going there not just to get information, but to potentially buy something. They generally are not just tire kickers. They are more ready to buy than regular online searchers. Classified ad marketing offers a great value. When we submit your website, your links with your keyword-based ads will be sent to thousands of websites. You could spend thousands buying expensive links and ads on websites or paying $2 per click for AdWord ads. Classified ad marketing offers you huge, almost instant exposure for very little money. Classified ad marketing is great for SEO. Classified ad marketing is an excellent choice for local businesses. Get more traffic to your YouTube videos. All our classified ad sites allow you to embed your YouTube videos. Just give us your shared URL from your video and your YouTube video will be automatically embedded in thousands of web pages. This traffic can help rank your videos on both YouTube and Google. Alright, then they have frequently asked questions. Alright, and then this is what this is right here. It says you can do the monthly service for $39.95 per month. You can cancel anytime. They have a quarterly service that's only $77 and you save $42 over the monthly service. And then a lot of people do this. They have a one-time, 1-year service payment for $197. So you save $282. It's the best value. And here are the advantages of choosing the 1-year service. Your ads submitted all year long to our network. 1 year of high quality advertising. Change ads every month if you want. Promote different programs. Bonus 1, you get a free high quality professional clickable custom image ad to use with your promotions. You save $282 over the monthly price. Your ad upgraded, highlighted, and in bold in rotation in the premium ad section, which are stuck to the top of your category and on the home page. You can join the affiliate program for free. Refer 2 people and your advertising is free for the year. Just pay once for an entire year of service, not a recurring fee or subscription. You get 3 text ad rotation slots instead of just 1 on every single page of the 25 high traffic ad sites. And you can upload 3 images, not just 1 for the monthly members. Alright, so that's for the 1-year deal. And then down here, the last thing I'm going to show you, second to last thing I'm going to show you, we have the pros and cons of becoming a classified submissions member. Life with classified submissions. You save hours of precious time by no longer having to manually post classified ads one by one. Alright, some of these ad sites are a little bit confusing, and I've tried them before, and they take, like I said, some take 15 to 20 minutes just to post an ad. So if you're looking for a way to post ads on thousands of different sites for a low price, then this is it. And this isn't like buying the fake cheap solo ads where you're going to get 100,000 clicks for $10. All right, this is just a service where they're taking your ad and posting it for you. All right, they have software where they can post this up and upload it to, all the different sites that I mentioned in the beginning of this video for a low price, monthly price, okay? So these are real people visiting the classified sites, and it's real traffic, okay? It's not fake bots. It's not people entering 100 different emails when you pay for 100 clicks. This is good quality traffic, okay? This does convert. Like I said, they've been around since 2012, so that tells you something, right? You can get massive exposure for your ad by having it submitted to hundreds of high traffic websites. You set and forget, all right? So you get promotion all month long, high quality traffic, you get fresh opt-ins, earn recurring commissions by joining the affiliate program. All right, have us promote your affiliate link for you, get higher rankings in the search engines. And then it says life without classified submissions, waste hours of your time tediously submitted ads manually one by one, low or no traffic to your website, never finish your campaigns, low rankings in the search engines, no opt-ins to your newsletter, no signups, no sales, no recurring commissions, no life. All right. So basically you place your order, you're redirected to a page where you give them your ad details, they prepare your ad campaign, and then they send you a login and a tracking link. All right, and the last thing I'm going to show you is their guarantee. At classifiedsubmissions.com, we guarantee to do everything we promise on this website, including massively submitting your ad and website to thousands of advertising pages. If we do not massively submit your ads, we offer a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. However, we cannot guarantee that every campaign will generate sales and signups. Many people do get sales and signups, but we cannot guarantee success for virtually any offer. No advertising service can guarantee a 100% success rate for any offer at any price in any niche, and unfortunately, neither can we. We would be some serious geniuses if we could. There are many factors involved in converting visitors to sales, such as follow-up, website design, demand, pricing, and salesmanship. That being said, we will do everything within our power to help you be successful with your campaign. Your success is our success. And like I said, these folks have been around since 2012. They're a great group of people to work with. So in my opinion, this company and the service that they provide is worth the money. I know that some people don't like to spend money on advertising, but in my opinion, it's better than buying solo ads, and it's better than buying, Facebook ads or Instagram ads, unless you really know what you're doing. If you really know what you're doing with Facebook ads and Instagram ads, then by all means, why wouldn't you make money? I'm not very familiar with buying Instagram ads or Facebook ads or anything like that, but I can and I do highly recommend Classified Submissions. They're a great group of people. I've been working with them for several years now, and I've always had great success with them. So it's just another way to get your ad out there in front of eyeballs, okay? It doesn't take the place of, reaching out to people or messaging people on social media and starting up conversations with them. But it's just an extra way to get your ad out there that people will see. And, of course, there's no guarantees, but for the $39.95 a month, in my opinion, it's worth a try, okay? So, anyway, if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in learning more about our LiveGood business opportunity, there's a link down in the description box. You can click that and you'll be taken over to our tour page that looks just like this. All right, there's a 5-minute and 55-second video right here that goes over everything in great detail, and you can reserve your position in our matrix today by entering your first name, last name, and email. So it's really that simple. All right, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you find value in this. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. All right, so that's it for this video. I can't wait to see you in my next, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.